Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Getting Healthy with Dr. T. Today we are making fruit juice with whole fruit. So on the outside, these apples look like they were on their way out. But on the inside, they are just fine. Apples are high in fiber, especially when you consume the skin. So I will be leaving the skin on for this juice. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up all of the apples, remove the pits and the seeds. So this little guy was just too bad. I had to throw him out. I've already peeled my oranges. And now time for the pineapple. Be sure to check out my video on the benefits of pineapples. I'll link it at the top. Gives a very good reason as to why we should always add a little bit of this part into anything that we're blending. I've added 2 cups of water, and now I'm going to add my fruit. So this is a real fruit punch. I noticed right before pouring the juice into the container, it has quite a bit of foam in it. So to combat that, I'm just going to add a little fresh lemon juice. So I'm going to add a little lemon to help cancel out the foam. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sugar. I use coconut palm sugar just to flavor it just a bit. Let's give it a try. Tastes just like fresh squeezed juice. So this is something that I do when the kids allow the fruit to just sit around. I take it, I blend it all together and make a fruit juice. Add a little sugar and water, and ta-da, I'm not wasting any of my fruit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.